Welcome to John the Voyager, the YouTube channel for travel and lifestyle. In this video, I'm going to unbox a brand new GoPro Hero 10 Black. As a bonus, I also go through its specs as well as its pros and cons. This set was on sale as of January 2022 and it includes the camera with an accessory bundle consisting of 2 batteries, a charging cable, several mounting sockets, a travel case, a small tripod and a special magnetic mount. It also comes with a 1-year GoPro cloud subscription, which gives you a lot of discounts in the GoPro store. Here, you can see its highlighted features. We will go through them in detail later on. Let's find that opening and get rid of the box. This particular set also comes with a MicroSD card. They even got rid of the plastic packaging, which makes it more environmentally friendly in my opinion. Let's slide out the travel case for a more epic presentation. Okay, let's see what's inside the case. We just have to unzip it. And here we go. That's the brand new GoPro Hero 10 with its accessories. Let's see what's inside that box in here. We have an instruction on how to use it, a few stickers, how to mount the camera on a helmet, and some warranty papers. Here comes the camera itself. It's wrapped in plastic and some protective adhesives. Just remove that film in the front on the lens and also here in the front screen. Then we just have to remove that band around it. Here we go, that's the camera, the GoPro Hero 10 Black. Underneath the camera is a collapsible camera mount. You use this to mount the camera on different sorts of equipments. At the back we have the touchscreen monitor. On the top here is the record button. On the side we have the power on and off button, which also can select different options in the menu. On the other side we have the flip door for the battery housing and microSD card as well as USB-C socket. It is kind of hard to open it. It took me a while to know that you have to use some force to unbuckle the door. Let's go through the accessories. This is a mounting socket that you can use to attach the camera to a base. You can open and close this plastic thing. We have here a magnetic clamp. As you can see, there is a magnet underneath here. You can attach it to cars, for example. There is also a USB-C cable for charging. Then we have some screws that you can attach to the camera sockets, a curved mounting base for bike helmets, yet another mounting socket, 2 batteries. Just be careful here with the plastic thing, just don't force it, it's just there to take the batteries out of the camera. There's a tiny tripod with a grip. It is collapsible and does most of the job. You can also extend that tripod a little bit so that it becomes a bit longer. The camera's disadvantage is that it has no focus control and it's not really a professional camera for photo taking or video shoots. And it has limited amount of lenses that you can mount on it, but it is optimized for action videos and is really well made for that. Video resolution is at 5.3K, effective pixels 23, HDR, live stream possible at 1K, webcam mode. It has several digital lenses and a hydrophobic lens protector, improved touchscreen, water resistant up to 10 meters, HyperSmooth 4.0 video stabilization, voice control, exposure control, and numerous mods are available for this. Card type is MicroSD, Lithium battery, TimeWarp 3.0 video, night lapse, and it has 8x slow motion as well. So this camera is really great for outdoor action video taking and also for sport videos. So if you have a lot of sport going on, do get this camera. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more awesome travel and lifestyle content. See you next time.